Yes.
Can I use a bathroom real quick before we start?
Yeah, go ahead. Okay. So, first thing first, we'll quickly check the tables. Yep, Naira, we'll start with you. Okay, table till
5.
4 8 ja.
4 times 8 is 32.
5 5 ja.
5 times 5 is
25
5.
25. 3 8 ja.
3 times 8 is
24. Yeah. 2 8 ja.
2 times 8 is 18.
16. 3 5 ja.
15.
4 7 ja.
28.
Good job. 5 5 8 ja. Kavi, sit straight so that I can see your face. I'm only seeing the chair. Yep. And you can also move your laptop a little bit so that I can see you better. Yeah.
iPad or laptop.
Okay. 5 8 ja. Naira. 40.
40.
Yeah. So, what does it mean? We need to practice. Yep. Okay. So don't work very hard. Just spend 5 minutes every day. I want, as I said, told you, right? Keep memorizing the tables. You have 2 sisters. Once you memorize it, catch hold of one of the sisters and ask me questions. Okay. Let's play with it. Okay. Because that is going to be very important. Kavi, ready for the tables? Table till 3 2 6 ja.
12.
3 4 ja.
12.
3 7 ja.
21.
2 9 ja.
18.
3 8 ja.
27.
3 8 ja. 24.
Oh, 24.
2 10 ja.
1.
3 4 ja.
12.
Okay. So what did you observe? You did not give me any wrong answer. You gave me one wrong answer, that was 3 8 ja 27. So what does it mean? It means that I can tell you that yes, you are practicing a little bit. You have done bit of homework, okay? That's a good sign. And I'm not a teacher who keeps crying all the time, okay? I will praise you guys whenever I see you putting that effort, okay? So good that you are putting effort. Now Kavi, I will give you one more week. But next week, 2 7 ja 14, not that way. It has to come 2 7 ja 14, 2 9 ja 18, 3 7 ja 21, 3 9 ja 27. It has to come fast. That means you have to practice more. You have to literally play with it every day 10 minutes. Yeah?
Do you have any independent classes?
Don't talk unnecessary stuff. Okay? you are not practicing tables and you are giving me some, even if I do independence classes, I leave my job, only teach you. If you are not being serious, there is nothing that I can do. Okay? So let's not waste our time and energy talking about something that doesn't make any sense. I request you to do only one thing, that is memorize tables, and that needs you to study for 10 minutes.
Okay.
If you ask me this kind of question one more time, I will have to talk to daddy or mommy, one of them. This is not right. We have to practice, simple. See, there are places where you will go, they will give you 5 hours of homework, okay? I don't give that much homework, but I expect you guys to spend 10 minutes sincerely, honestly, okay?
Okay.
That is for everybody, okay? And there's advantage of learning in a group. We learn from each other, okay? Even if I do one-on-one class with you, I give you 5 hugs, that doesn't help, okay? We have to study, right, Naira? Okay. All right. So what are we going to learn today? We are going to learn 3 things. One is adding up to 100, adding up to 1000, and adding up, and then we'll talk about measurement. There are 3 things that we are going to learn. Okay? And most importantly, we will learn what is the meaning of carry forward. Okay? Do you guys know what is carry forward? Naira, do you know? No? Okay. Kavi, you know what is carry forward?
Yes.
You said yes. Okay. So I said adding up to 100, meaning if I try to add a number, let's say 89, and so this is less than 100, and then add 36 to it. Do you guys know what will be the answer? How you will add it?
How you will add it is you add the 9 to the 6, and what number comes from like 9?
Okay, why don't you do it on the piece of paper and then tell me the answer. Then you will explain me. Naira, do you want to give it a try? Do you know how to do it? No? Okay, it's fine. That's okay. Let Kavi finish it, then I will talk about it. Okay?
$125.
125. Okay. So Kavi, you just tell me how to do it. I don't know how to add this, okay? You have to teach me.
So I have 9 plus 6, and that was 15.
9 plus 6 is 15. Go slow. I'm not very intelligent. Okay, what do I do now?
But because you have 15, you can't just write 15 on the thing. Because if you do, then it will go in the thousands place. You don't want it to be in the thousands place.
Tell me what is to do here. You got 15. What will you do now?
Put the 1 above the 8.
Okay.
You put the 5 under the 6.
Okay.
And then add 8 and 3 first.
Uh-huh.
And that equals 11. 1 more 12. So I put a 12 there. So 125.
Okay. So yeah, you got the answer right. Now let me teach the concept in this very simple way. You might be knowing about it, but let's revise it. So Naira, now let's try doing some addition, okay? We'll start with a simple one. Let's say if I say add 12 and 13. Okay? Naira, are you with me, beta? Yeah? So don't do anything, okay? I'm doing it. Hear my story first, okay? And then we will see. Okay, so I'm trying to add 12 and 13. Okay? So Kavi, you also don't have to do anything. Right now, this is not for anybody to do it, okay? I'm not looking for answer. You have to hear my story carefully. And everybody can see the board, right? Both of you? Okay. So when I try to add 12 and 13, what is the first thing I have to do? If I look at 12, what is in the unit place, Naira? In 12, what is in the unit place?
Ones.
It was a question for Naira. I said, what is in units place?
The one.
No. What unit place is here, tens place is here. If I have something, that will be 100 place. I'm saying what is in unit place? That is 2. What is in tens place? 1. Correct? If I look at 13, what is in unit place?
3.
3. What is in tens place, Kavi?
1.
1. So, what I'm trying to say here is, you always write the unit place value next to the unit place value, okay? If you're trying to add 12 and 13, what you will do is, you'll write the unit place value and unit place value together. Same line, okay? Next to each other. Similarly, whatever you have in the tens place, that value and this value should be written very clearly next to each other, okay? So that there is no confusion, okay? Is that okay, Naira? Yeah? Now, when I have written it clearly, okay, I was trying to add 12 and 13. So, I have written 2 and 3, both are in unit place together. This one and this one together, both are in tens place. Now, add the things which is in unit place. 2 plus 3, how much? 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. Naira, with me? You can hear me okay, right, Beta? Naira and Kavi both? Okay. So when I add 2 and 3, 2 plus 3 is how much?
5.
5. I have written 5. Now, unit place work is done. Now I have 1 plus 1. How much is that?
2.
2.
No.
Done? No problem. Now, let's add one more. Let's say I'm trying to add 24 and 33. Okay? I'm trying to add these two. Okay? Same thing. Again, pay attention. I will give you guys some practice to do. Hey, Yugan. Yugan, can you hear me okay?
Yes, sir.
This is probably your last class in this group. From next week, you'll be in a different group. Okay? So, if I'm teaching something very easy, take it easy. Okay? So, we are trying to add numbers with 2 digit and 3 digit. And some of the things you will be knowing. But we'll practice that a little bit more. So, I'm trying to add 24 and 33. Okay? 24 and 33. First thing, I will look at this number 24. What is in unit place? 4. What is in tens place? 2. Okay, fine. If I look at this number, what is in unit place? 3. What is in tens place? That is also 3. I have to make sure that unit place values are together, tens place values are together. Okay? So, if you write it clean, you will have no problem. Now we are adding 4 plus 3, how much, Kavi?
7.
7. I wrote 7. 2 plus 3, how much, Naira?
5.
5. See, we could add this. Now, I was telling you guys that when you are writing or adding the numbers, make sure that the place values match. Let's see if I'm trying to add 125 plus 47. Now see the magic. Here you have 5 in the unit place, 2 in the tens place and 1 in the hundred place. Here what you have? 7 in the unit place, 4 in the tens place. So the way you have to write is, put unit place value here next to the unit place value and then tens place value next to the tens place value. Okay? And you have nothing here. you can write a 0. That's okay. Okay? So always remember, when you are trying to add the numbers, make sure that the place values match. This is unit place, this is tens place, this is hundredth place. This poor guy doesn't have anything in the hundredth place. That's okay. Okay? Is that okay, Naira? You would be knowing this already, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now,
Easy.
if I have written it clearly, then my job is easy. Now we are going to talk about the carry forward concept. There is one more rule of thumb that we need to remember. Every place I can write only one number, okay? Now look at this. 5 plus 7 is how much? 12. Can I write 12 here?
No, you have to put 2 in the units place and then the 1
Exactly.
Yeah.
I will. So simple way to look at this is, I will write the number whatever I am getting by adding it. If there are 2 digits, I will only write the first digit here. What I did not write was 1. That goes to the next place. Okay? Naira, is that okay? Now, yeah. What happened, Kavi? Okay. So again, you guys would be knowing this already, but I'm just trying to make sure that Naira also understands this one. So when I added these two, I got 12. I can write only one number, the unit place value. So I have to write 2 here. What I did not write was 1. I have to put it somewhere. I put it on the top of the next number, or next place value. Now 2 plus 4 is how much? 6.
Yeah.
And then I have a 1 also. 6 plus 1 became 7. Okay?
Yeah.
Everything is done. Nothing. There is no. See, I got 1 digit only one number. So I just wrote it here. If I would have got 17, then I would have written 7 here and 1 I would have put here. But I got only 7. So that's okay. I could write everything as is. Now, 1 plus 0 is how much? 1. Done.
1.
Yeah. So basically,
I
key.
think you're all just like the number that you want to put 0.
Right. So here, the key, there are 3 things that we have to remember. One is, you have to write your problem in a very clean way. Even if you are using one entire page for solving one problem, that's okay. But don't write it like this, okay? If I say 125 plus 47, you write like this. Everything goes for a toss.
Yeah.
Yeah? So, what went wrong here, Naira? Can you explain me? If I write like this, what did I do? Naira, you on mute. I cannot hear you better. If I write like this, what did I do? What went wrong here?
You forgot the 0.
No, that is one thing. Also, I have written this 7, which is in unit place, in place of 10. 4, which was supposed to be on 10th place, I have written next to 100. Right? That is the mistake I made. So that is why I have to match place value. This is unit place, this is unit place together. This is 10th place, this is 10th place together. 100 place together. There was nothing in the 100 place. So that's why it was empty, or I can write a 0, whatever I like. Okay, that's fine. So that was the first thing. Writing the number clearly, matching the place value, that was one. Second thing was that I cannot write more than one number in one place. When I'm adding these two, if I get 12 or 13 or 15, whatever I get, I can write only the first value, and whatever is extra, that goes on to the head of the next number. Okay? That is what is called carry forward. So, if I know this might look easy peasy to many of you, but I want you guys to try this. two problems real quick. 479 plus 27. This is one problem. Second problem is 299 plus 1003. Yes, you can.
I can't see the first question.
479 plus 27. Second one is 299 plus 1003. And nobody has to be scared of making mistake. I want to see how you guys are trying. So everybody, yes, Naira, you saying something, beta? You got the question? Are you doing it?
I can't see the first question.
It's 479. You can hear me okay, right?
Yeah?
479. When I'm saying it, write it down.
Okay.
479 plus 27. Four 79 plus 27. And second question is 299 plus 1003. And you guys have only 2 minutes for doing it. Do it quick. Yes, Kavi.
Can I go to the bathroom?
How many times?
Can I get water?
How about evening snacks? See, one thing. Today is the last time you are doing it. We started the class, you said immediately bathroom. Within 5 minutes you want to go to get water. Then after 10 minutes you will feel hungry, you'll ask for snacks. Make sure that before the class you finish everything, okay? 1 hour I need fully in the class. Do it quickly, very quick. Yes, you can.
For the first question, the answer is 486.
486. Okay. How about the second one?
The second one I haven't done yet.
Finish both of them. And Naira, don't trust anybody, okay? Even if Yugan says this is the answer, you have to find your own answer, okay? Sometimes our friends don't do right. Okay? I mean, I'm not saying that Yugan doesn't do it right. I'm saying when it comes to math, I don't trust anybody. I want it to always do myself, okay? Do it. Right or wrong, we'll figure it out. That's okay. Finish the second one, Yugan, then we'll talk.
I got the answer.
Okay, what is your answer, beta?
3,993.
Which one? Second one? 3,993. How about the first one? Did you do? And you're doing it? Yeah, Kavi, what is your answer? How long is it going to take? Do it quick.
Okay.
Yes, you can.
I think the answer is 2,000.
Okay.
302.
Okay. All right. There are two answers I've got for the second question. I am waiting for Naira to tell me what is the answer for the first one, and I'm waiting for Kavi to tell me the answer for both of them. And again, as I said, don't trust any of your friends. Do it yourself. And whoever has finished it, Yugan, I will ask you to review your answers as well. Yep, yeah, Yugan.
What do you mean by review?
Review meaning whatever you have done, just check if you did everything right or not.
First, I checked it 3 times.
Okay, we'll see.
Is the first one 740?
No, don't ask me question, give me answer. You tell me what is the answer you got.
My answer was 740.
Okay. How about the second one?
I think my answer is it 4,000-ish?
There is nothing called 4,000-ish. There is nothing ish. It's a number always. It'll be 4,219 or 2,917, whatever it is. It has to be a number. Would you say your name is Kavish? Your name is Kavi. Firm. Yes, Naira. Did you get your answer for the first one? What is that?
496.
496. See, 3 kids, 3 answers. I am waiting for the third answer from Kavi. Whom do I trust? Are you doing the calculation? I don't see your pencil moving. You are giving me some answer in the air.
Why did it uncalculating?
What is that?
I'm calculating right now
Where?
on my notebook.
Okay. Let's see. Yes, you can.
Usually just calculate in my mind.
You know what? I don't trust mind. I trust notebook and pen. That works better. Okay. Now, look at this. I'm not really happy with whatever I've heard from you guys. Some of you are right, some of you, all of you are right with one question, wrong with another one. Why? Because we are not following the 3 basics. First basic is writing it properly and whatever methods I told you. Second,
Why did we check the first one?
yes, please. That's what I was saying. Review it. You said I reviewed 3 times.
I reviewed the second one 2 times.
Okay. Yes, Kavi. What is the answer for the second one?
3,003.
3,003.
Yeah.
Okay. See, 3 kids, 3 answers. Every question is supposed to have the same answer unless I am teaching you guys wrong or you guys are getting it wrong. Now, as I said, don't trust anybody, and I believe in that. When it comes to solving math, I don't trust anybody. And I want you guys to behave or think the same way. Now, 479 plus 27. Here I have 3 digits, here I have 2 digits. Kavi, hands down. Here I have 3 digits, here I have 2 digits. What I said was, make sure that you are matching the place value. So 9 and 7 has to be written together. 10 and 2, both are tens place, they have to be written together. This one has hundreds place, this one doesn't have. It's okay, we'll see. 479. I'm doing the first one, okay? Plus 27. So 7 is in the first place here. 2 is in 10th place here. Now let's do it. 9 plus 7 gives me a 16. It's a 2-digit number. I cannot write it as is. What I can write is the first one, 6. Okay? What I did not write was 1. Where does it go? On the head of the next person. Now 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 1 is 10. Again, same situation. I can only write a 0 here. 1 goes to the head of the next person or next place value. Now, here I have nothing, that is 0. But I have 4 plus 1, 5. 506. Tell me who gave me this answer. Yes, you can.
I just found it out when I was gonna say it.
So see, this is a catch.
See,
Um,
the first one, yeah, I was gonna say 506.
Right. No, so see, it's not about who made the mistake. It is about what are we learning from this. What did we learn? See, if I say, does Yugen know how to add or no? The answer is yes, Yugen knows that. But why would Yugen go wrong? Because probably he forgot to review where he had time. Correct? So all
I forgot to add the 20.
right. No, what I'm saying is we all make mistakes. Trust me, I make more mistakes than you guys. But if we get into the habit of
You've done more things than us. That's
right.
why.
Right. No, what I'm trying to say here is, see, I'm not trying to prove that I'm smarter. I'm not smart by any means. Okay, I'm a very dumb guy, but I work hard. What I'm trying to say here is, when you are doing the calculation and you finish your questions, okay, now you have time. You're waiting for your friends to finish. Use that time to review what you did, and that is why I was saying that doing the mind math, calculating in mind, doesn't help, because if you're calculating in mind, there's nothing that you can review. You have to do it on a piece of paper.
Well, I tried it again in my mind and I got it correct.
Okay, let's not argue about it. My simple message to you all is, when you're doing math, do it on piece of paper. We are all intelligent people, I have no doubt about it, but still, when it comes to math, do it on a piece of paper. Okay?
Since I'm doing addition again, I feel like I'm in school.
You are still in school. Okay? Alright. So here, see, you have learned it long time ago, but still we are making mistakes. So that means it's an opportunity for us to correct. So, Naira and Kavi, did you guys see what I did different from what you guys did? Yeah? So, this is the first one. Now let's look at the second one. And again, some of you might have gotten the right answer, some of you might not. I'm not here to prove any of my kid wrong. Okay? I'm just trying to teach you guys what is the right way of doing it. Now here, look at this. This is 299 and this is 1003. This one has 3 digits. Unit place, tens place, 100 place. Here you have 4 digits. Unit place, tens place, 100 place, thousands place. Okay. We have to just match the place. Okay. Unit next to unit, 10 next to 10, 100 next to 100, 1000 next to 1000. There is no 1000 here. That's okay. So if you're writing 299, write it neat and clean. 299. And you're trying to add 1003. So 3 will go here in the unit place. Tens place value will go here. Hundreds place value will go here. And thousand place. There is no thousand place, but I will still write it here. Now, Kavi here. Okay. Now, I have 299, 1003 written in a neat and clean way. Okay. Here you see 3 digits, here you see 4. Okay, you can put a 0 here in the beginning. That doesn't do any damage. Now I'm trying to add. 9 plus 3, how much? 12. Oh, I cannot write 12. I can only write 2. I will write 2. 1 I did not write, goes to the next number, next place, on the head of the next guy. 9 plus 0 is 9, and add 1 makes it 10. Again 2 digits, okay, I can only write 0. I will write a 0. What I did not write was 1. That gets carried forward to the next place. This is what is carried forward, Naira, okay? When you are writing one number and carrying the next number to the next place, you are carrying it forward, okay? That's what is called carry forward, okay? Now, 2 plus 0 is 2 and I have 1 from carry forward, so that becomes 3. Okay. Now 0 plus 1 is 1.
Yeah.
1302. That is the answer. Kavi, do you remember what did you tell me as the answer? 4,000-ish. Right? No, so see, again, I'm not contesting to prove anybody wrong. What I'm contesting is, don't rely on mind math. Mind is to support math. Mind is not the only way to do math. Do it on a piece of paper. If a 49-year-old man can do it here on the board, why you guys cannot use a notebook? Naira, do you know I'm 49?
I don't have a notebook next to me.
You have to get one. Trust me. We will not study math if we don't have a notebook. And that is the reason why we will go wrong with even simplest of the questions. Naira, did you find what you did differently versus what I did different? Yeah? Yugan, can I ask you to go and get a notebook and pen? I don't want you guys to go wrong one more time.
Okay.
Yes. This time we will do 2 more problems, and I hope, I expect, I wish everybody does it right. Okay, let's see. Naira, ready? Charged to solve a new set of problems. Kavi, ready? Drink as much water you want to drink now, but don't drink water while solving the problem. हिंदी में बोलते हैं बेटा, मैथ आपको पानी पिला देगा. Don't do that. Okay? Naira, do you know Hindi by any chance? No? No. Daddy knows.
No, but not.
Okay. Daddy knows a little bit, but that's okay. Now, 2 questions. 2 questions. Again, I want you guys to add 10,948 and 3,074. That is the first one. Second one is 10009 plus 836. Yes, Yugan.
Can you move the laptop so I can see the first question?
Can you not see it?
I can.
I will read it for you guys. Don't worry about it. Okay. First question is, can you see it now?
No.
10948 plus 3074. 10948 plus 3074. And second question is 10009 plus 836. And Yugan, for you to feel, this question is only for Yugan, okay? 4,788 plus 3,097 plus 845. Third one is only for you again, okay? I want you to add three numbers together. For Kavi and Naira, these two. For Yugan, all the three. Okay? So, third one is 4788 plus 3097 plus 845. Fine? I will keep.
Let's do it one by one.
Yeah, do it one by one, obviously. No, you don't have to do it all together.
First, I thought the first two numbers were like one number together.
No, tell me the answer first.
Okay.
Kavi, tell me. You're talking to the mute button, I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you still. I cannot hear you. Can you hear me? Disconnect and join. Disconnect and join. Yes, Naira, can you hear me, Vita? Okay. Nick, Yugan, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Kavi, tell me the answer.
The answer is 4,000.
Okay, go one by one. Which one you're talking about? First one, second one.
First one is 4,688.
4,688. How about the second one?
You have to calculate that one still.
Okay, tell me one thing, Kavi. How did you get 4,688? Do you know what is this number? 10,948. I had 10,948 and I added 3,000 to it, 3,074 to it. 10,000 something plus 3,000 something, how will it become 4,000? There is something missing.
The first one,
Oh, see, you guys are not being careful. That's.
I calculated the wrong one.
Okay, don't tell me stories. Do it one more time. Math doesn't allow us to be lazy. We have to get our hands dirty. No choice. Naira, anywhere close to being done better?
Son,
Yep.
what is the last number of the first one?
Let me read it for you all. Write it down when I'm saying it. 10948 plus 3074. 10948 plus 3074. Are you guys being done? Close to being done?
I can't find the answer to the two questions.
You can't find? Are you searching for the answer somewhere?
No, like I can't see the board. Like I see there's people talking.
I told the question, I read the question for you guys one by one.
But I can't do the question like, it's kind of hard.
That is what I have problem with. Okay? I'm hearing all possible excuses from each one of you for not doing it. What happened to you, Yugan? I told the number 10948 plus 3074. Have you done it?
I'm doing the one that you like gave separately for me.
I said first two is for Naira and Kavi, and for you first, second and third also. You wanted something harder, right? You said that you feel like going back to school. So I said, okay, let me make you feel stronger. That's why I gave you a little tougher problem. Okay, now we cannot really take a lot of time. Naira, are you close to being done with any of the problem, beta? Which one?
The first one.
First one. How much is your answer? What is the answer, beta?
I don't really know how to say it.
Just read the number for me.
15000.
One, one, 1, 5.
0
Okay.
0.
This one. 15000. Kavi was okay. You were not able to do it. It's kind of hard. You guys are putting a lot of effort for things that are not important. Let's put the effort for right things. Let me do it here. And I will show you how easy it is. 3097 plus 845. Let's do, I will do all the three problems right in front of you guys. Let's pick the first one. 10948 plus 3074. Let me write the first number first. 10948 3074. 3074. 4 is in the unit place. So 4 comes here, right next to the unit place value. 7 comes to the tens place, here. 0 comes to the nines place, because it's a unit 1000. Unit 1000. Now comes 3. 3 at the thousand place, here. There is a blank here. Okay, you can put a 0 here, that's fine. You can always put the 0 in the beginning, don't put the 0 at the end. Okay, that will be a problem. If you have 1, if you put a 0 here, that remains 1. But if you have 1 and you put a 0 here, that becomes 10. You don't want to change the value, okay? So putting a 0 in the beginning is okay, after the number is not okay. Now we have to add. No big deal. I don't know why Kavi you are saying that this is hard. It will remain hard if you don't practice. Now look at this. 8 plus 4. How much? 12. Can I write 12? No. I can only write the first number 2. I write 2 here. What I did not write was 1. Goes to the next one. Carry forward. Now this one is, first one is done. Now 4 plus 7 is 11. Plus 1 becomes 12 again. I can again write a 2. 1 gets carried forward. 9 plus 0 is 9. Plus 1 becomes 10. What I can write? Only 0. What I cannot write? 1. That goes on the head of the next one. 0 plus 3 is 3. Plus 1 is 4. Done. 1 plus 0 is 1. What is the big deal?
I just wrote the last number down.
Which
The
one?
other numbers I already wrote.
Okay. So there's nothing difficult in this one, right? You just have to do it carefully. This time I'm going to give you guys assignment on addition. Even if you guys know it very well, but I see we tend to make mistakes if you don't practice. Now let's look at the second one. Naira, was that clear to you, beta? Whatever I did, was it clear to you? Kavi, is that clear to you? Did you find it hard? What was hard in it?
I just couldn't plus 1,000 and hundreds.
I will, no. See, simple thing. Don't deviate from the basic. Again, look at the next problem. 10009 plus 836. Let me write the first number. 10009. I've written the first number. Now to add 836. So what is then the unit place? 6. 6 comes next to the unit place. What is then the tens place? 3. 3 comes next to the tens place. What is then the hundreds place? 8. 8 comes next to the hundreds place. Okay. 2 places are empty. When there are empty places, put zeros. Start the same thing. 9 plus 6, 15. Can I write 15? No, I can write only 5. I will write a 5. 1 gets carried forward to the next number. Now, 0 plus 3 is how much? 3 plus 1, 4. Done. No carry forward. Only 4. 4 is one number. 0 plus 8 is 8. Okay, done. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. What is hard in it? If you guys just start doing it, okay? If you start doing it, you can do it. If you keep finding reasons for not doing it, it will take you eternity for doing it. Eugen, did you finish the third one? Were you able to finish the third one, Eugen?
No, I only did the first one because he told me to like do
Okay. Now I will do the third one for you, okay? Everybody here. Naira, Kavi, Eugen. We are talking about adding 3 numbers. Nothing changes for us. Everything remains the same. We have to match the place value. Write the first number. 4, 7, 8, 8. Make sure that you are wasting a lot of paper, okay? Writing it neat and clean. First number is written. Now the next number, 3097. So match the place value. 7 in the unit place. This 9 is in tens place, so it goes to the tens place. 0 in the hundred place goes to the hundred place. 3 in the thousand place goes to the thousand place. Second number is also done. Now the third number, 845. So 5 in the unit place, here. This 4 in the tens place, here. 8 is in the hundreds place, goes here. What we don't have is thousand place. Put a 0 here. Now you have to add these 3 numbers together. I know it might not be very easy, very quick, but approach is the same. Yeah, Eugen, you're saying something.
I added the first two together. I got my answer with the first two. And the third question.
You added these 2 together?
Yeah, I answered.
Yeah, that also you can do. You can add these 2, whatever you get, then you add that value with this one. Or you can do it all together, okay? So I'm doing it all together right now. So 8 plus 7 is 15 plus 5, 20. What I can write? Only a 0. Write the 0. 2 is carried forward, goes here. 8 plus 9 is 17 plus 4, 21. Plus 2, 23. What I can write is only 3. What gets carried forward? 2. 7 plus 0 plus 8. 7 plus 0 is 7. Plus 8 is 15. Plus 2, 17. What I can write is 7. 1 gets carried forward here. 4 plus 3, 7. Plus 1, 8. Now you will say that this teacher did not teach us anything today, because actually did not teach you as anything today. I'm just helping you guys practice
I was
this.
say that you just helped me.
I'm sorry?
I was gonna say that you just helped me.
Yeah. No, so I'm just telling you guys one thing, that is the basic concept of math doesn't change. What changes is different problems. And you can deal with all the different types of problems if you practice more. Without practice, no learning helps. Okay?
Yeah, like if you know 1 plus 1 and you never practice anything else, then you won't even be able to know 1 plus 2.
Yeah. So what I'm saying is the approach, the concept remains the same. We still have to practice. Otherwise, without practice, you will only grow gray hairs like me, but not learn much. Okay? Naira, okay? Kavi, okay? Where did Kavi go? You're hiding. We are not playing hide and seek right now. Stand up. Sit straight so I can see you. Imagine me teaching you sitting here. How would that look? Stay straight so that I can see you. We can make eye contact and learn. Alright? Okay, so I hope the message is loud and clear for you guys, that when you are learning something, you have to practice. And when you practice, even the difficult looking problem becomes easy. If you don't practice, I will keep on haunting you guys in every class. Yeah? Kavi, table till 3 has to be solid and has to be quick. Naira, table till 5 has to be quick. Okay? A bit more, with more practice. And Yugan, we did not check your table today, but anyway, this is your last class. You will, in this group, when you go to the next group, you will have to memorize more tables. So whatever you have learned so far, you have to add more to it, and you will learn a lot of new things also. Okay? So you can just tell me, you are going to which grade this year?
3rd grade.
3rd grade, okay. Then yeah, that will be the class for you. Yep. Okay. Alright. So have fun, guys. Wait for the assignment. I'll upload the video of the class and then I'll send you guys assignment. But please don't forget to practice. If you don't practice, math is a scary subject. Okay. Alright. Take care.
It's actually just a fun subject.
It is a fun subject if you practice. If you don't, it gets as scary as a monster. Yep. Alright.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye bye. Take care. Bye, Nara.
Bye.
Bye, beta.